That's what you get for trying to be nice. Oh, we're good, thank you. What do I know? He wants to know if you want a drink.
No, we're doing the cup deal on my pickup.
You want to know if you want a drink? No, we don't want no drinks.
Do what?
You can't race and talk on the phone at the same time. Oh, the guy wants $20 back. You wanna go drop it off to him? Just spent $20 going to his house or the gas station. What's going on? Why is she sad?
She don't want to be around bugs and hoes.
Your dad's home? Is it going over there?
And she don't want to be around. She was gonna come.
Oh.
Then Dad was like, "Oh, you can hang out with Kim." She's like, "Okay, I'm not going."
Look at all the purses. Oh, that Bobby. He's eating some grass. Yeah.
Oh God! I was like, "What the fuck was that?"
Oh, he pointed. You got a cup up top.
Oh yeah?
Get it, Aaron. He went like that. He pointed on that side.
What?
What happened, buddy? Woo!
Fuck. God.
There goes $5.
Inflation. Breaking out? What's gonna break? Go back and say, what's gonna break?
Oh, I saw a light. Oh.
Ah! He already can't handle the shit running inside of me. It's off. I like racing pickups though.
Is that the farm truck?
It's red color, roughly. I mean, other than. To go?
Didn't want none. Aaron does want some.
I do.
Aaron wants it all.
I don't care if I lose or win. I don't really care. That's the thing. I'm in it for the fun. It's a fun factor.
Hey!
Because if I was in it to win it, Dad gave me a good idea tonight to wreck his car. Because that's exactly what would happen if I got that car out. Has no wind turns on? No tag. Oh, Aaron put his tags on. Isn't there a difference between pickup tags and the other tags? Hi.